Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will show you the simple process of sharing a link through Google Drive. This is a very practical way to give friends access to your specific files and folders. To start, select the folder you want to distribute, right-click it, and then click on Share, followed by Share again in the menu. When the settings window opens, you will see that the access is usually set to Restricted by default. Make sure to switch this to Anyone with the link so others can actually open it. You can then assign a role, such as viewer, commenter, or editor. Remember that an editor is allowed to organize, add, and change your files, so choose the permission level that fits your needs. Once decided, click the Copy Link button. If you already know the person's email address, you can simply type it into the box to provide direct access and send it from there. After entering the email or copying the link, just press Done. If you used an email address, the link is sent automatically. If not, you can manually paste the link into apps like WhatsApp or Messenger by pressing Ctrl-V or Command-V. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, please consider liking the video and subscribing for future tutorials.